Sheriff Dispatch, Michelle speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, Michelle. This is I'm calling from Store 200 at the Pilot Travel Center at Kramer Junction.
Hi.
Hey, I just called a little while ago and reported, the Amber Alert that was on for yesterday? With a little girl and her dad.
What's the address you called for?
The address is 5725 Highway 58.
1 second. Okay, I see your call. What's going on?
I'm sorry?
I see your call. What's going on?
I think it's the girl and I think it's the dad. They're going towards Barstow right now.
Okay.
I have a picture of the little girl that was in the front. She came in and got 2 sodas from me. And then number 8 and the guest came to me and told me it's the same Nissan Frontier and everything. They faked like they were going down south on the 395 and they turned around. And you can see him going in front of our cameras. And he said he ended up going east of 58 towards Barstow.
Say again.
CHP 30 closing southbound 395 at Joshua.
Pick it up, Dave. Pick it up.
Units 42. Just be advised the traffic's coming to a dead stop up here. There's going to be way too much backdrop for us to engage if he does end up exiting and making contact with you guys.
If he gets in the desert.
Hey, Bolt 22, I copy all. He's leaving and then no traffic, actively firing.
Alright, Dave, he just pulls off. He's making a U-turn. Left orbit.
He's exiting at main, but he's using the on-ramp to exit and go the wrong way.
Watch these deputies. Hey, deputies, he's coming right at you on the exit.
Hey, you guys, he's going to lose control here as he goes up that embankment. Do we have units on Bear Valley?
He's stalling out. Alright, dude, I'm keeping 140, dude.
Everybody's got a rifle.
Dude. Let me know when I'm clear to open door. Chuck.
Passenger, get out! Passenger, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Passenger, get out! Get out! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey! Come here! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come to me! Come! Walk! Hey! Stop! Stop shooting her! He's in the car! Stop! She's okay! He's in the car! Stop!
Alright, we have no movement. Stand by. Watch your crossfire. Gentlemen, watch your crossfire.
Yeah, man, in the day before, I got traffic stops.
Fire, guys.
Traffic stop just north of main. Information crossfire. Be aware. SVS is advising crossfire. Be aware.
Yeah, and AT&T, we got multiple units.
Stop traffic behind us.
Multiple units approaching vehicle. I can cover.
Come in.
Southbound, north of Main Street, stop traffic.
Tell with the Juvia, is she code 4? Is she hit at all?
That one went down.
That's the Juvia.
SVS is advising no movement inside of the vehicle. Information SVS is advising no movement inside the vehicle. What's the best 20?
Southbound, south of Main.
15 on the freeway.
Unit 5, go ahead and partners. We have one with multiple gunshot wounds.
15 and 8.
Me and Argentina, southbound.
I copy me and I 15.
1252, I'll give you a run and break northbound. At Joshua.
Run a break northbound at Joshua.
22, if we can have medics come from the main on-ramp for the juke.
Fullness 2, that's 197 at the termination.
Hey, units on the ground, what's the extent of her injury?
Sam, I'm getting reports of shots fired. It's going to be related to this suspect contact that they're on right now. But they're trying to get urgent care at Main in the 15.
Alright, we have air rescue in
everybody
around.
safe inside. You want me to do
If
that into
somebody
the rest of
calm down and just tell us the extent of her injury so it comes out clear.
Gunshot wound, I'm assuming.
Ball 22, female has a chest wound for attempting life-saving procedures.
Poor thing.
Suspect is down and 44. We're working on the female. All deputies appear to be code for.
You're being advised, 15 is their code for, and suspect is down.
17 Sam 1, I copy.
Copy. Code 4 suspect is down. Code 4 suspect is down.
40 King, George 4.
Good.
19-10-6.
Copy 40 King.
We're going to need to check a hole overpass off from Mariposa to George 4.
Connected in Main Street.
Jennifer, you want me to divert all units to that location?
Copy. Requesting Cal transfer hard closure landing airship at
Only
Main
if we
Street.
had a paramedic.
Yeah, confirm. We'll land on the freeway.
The units who are able 15 in Mariposa when you shut down.
Down. Opposite traffic.
Are you ALS and will you be landing?
H82 negative. BLS and we will not be landing.
One minute, please.
ALS not landing.
Get him.
Jennifer.
Information, exploited Frank 40 seems to be landing to take the juvenile now.
Take a hold for the ambulance.
Where are they coming from? Do you see any ambulance down there? No, I don't.
Oh,
we got him. He's turning on the freeway now. From?
Yeah, let the ambulance transporter HA is also let the transport.
Copy that.
I got BLS, so we need units to make room for higher than 97 on that one ramp.
Yeah. 306, 40 King 4. They're BLS. You copy?
Copy, BLS, we're en route. You can let the ambulance make the decision.
Copy that. Hey, you guys, 40 King 4. Contact. Give us their assessment, and then we'll make the decision whether or not to land and transport.
King 4.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Copy. There's two options, is go by ambulance or go by rescue. You guys are not out of transport.
Copy that, sir. Thank you.
All 26, sir. We have I-15 southbound towards Easy Box.
75152 OIC. Looks like the suspect.
Hey, you guys, we're going to land, and if the ambulance assesses her and says we are clear to transport, then we will do so. If not, air rescue is also en route. Okay. Ambulance is coming on right now. Hey, I need you to talk me in, dude. I don't need to hit anything. Pay attention. I'm opening the door, Dave. Alright. You're good. You got a sight. Dark clearance. Clear of it. Keep going. Go forward. You're good, dude. Keep going. Where's the ambulance? The ambulance is coming. Left side is clear. Ambulance is turning a U-turn directly underneath us. Yep. Continuing straight. Alright, only one person continuing on here, guys.
Jake Rose, if you get a medic, I'm about 5 out, I can jump off.
Talk me in, please. You're still good. You're still good. Talk me in.
You're straight, clear straight down. Come straight down, brother. All good, all day.
you're good, dude. No, hold on.
Team 4, Station 4,
Josh, what do you guys want? Go ahead.
Traffic on primary. You guys cannot transport her. 307's en route. 4 she needs to go by ambulance.
Copy. Alright, ground units 40 King 4, we're not clear to transport. We're neither ALS or BLS. Air rescue is en route. Your guys' decision on the ground, whether she goes by ambulance or air rescue.